So this month, the month of November, we are talking about money idioms and why not supersize your business to earn a living. To earn a living is our idiom for today, November 2nd. It's November 2nd already. Wow, like already. I can't believe it's the end of the year already. 2021 has been flying by. I don't know about for you, but for me, even with a cold, it seems to be flying by. And maybe because of a cold, it's flying by. Well, to earn a living, of course, means to pay for the things that we need to survive in life. Place to live, food, clothing, shelter, the basic necessities of life is represented in the phrase to earn a living. So how do we earn a living? This expression was actually recorded, this idiom, first in 1632 in English. And it gives us pause to think about, and we spend a lot of time thinking about it when we're younger as we watch our parents earn a living and provide for us as children. How are we going to earn a living? What are we going to grow up to be or do? And most of us don't just know. We don't just wake up one day and say, I'm going to be a cowboy when I grow up, or I'm going to be an astronaut, or I'm going to be a businessman or businesswoman. I'm going to be whatever, a circus clown. I wanted to be a circus clown when I was a kid. I thought that would be fun. So one of my many desires as a child, right, was to have fun and adventures. And so I was thinking about today, as part of this to earn a living, what are some of the different jobs and vocations and fields of endeavor have I been in where I've earned a living? I've earned money so that I could eat, so I could sleep, so I could have a bit of shelter over my head. And there have been a wide variety of things. Sold a ton of different products, from fireworks to Christmas trees to ice. Ice was actually my very first business. Had lots of different businesses, been a business owner for over 48 years, as well as worked in corporate America for over a quarter century. So even before corporate America, I was an employee. I worked my very first job outside of my family businesses and businesses with members of my family was working in a theater, a small movie theater in Hudson, Wisconsin. It's now, I think it's the Masonic Temple or something, but it was, or no, it's the bank. Now it's where the bank is, the Wells Fargo Bank. But it used to be a very cute old-fashioned movie theater, and that's where I first started working for somebody outside of my family. Done so many different things. It's kind of mind-boggling. I started to make a list, and I'm like, I'm sure I'm forgetting more things than I'm remembering, but it's been a fun list to make. So I challenge you today to think back of all the different things you've done throughout your career and your past and your life so far to make a living, to provide for yourself and those that you love and care about. And then think about, how is your business now, as you're supersizing and growing your business, how is that not only earning a living for you, but for the people that work with and for you and are a part of your organization, the people that your organization serves, the problems that you solve for them? How is that helping them to live a better life, to make a living, to survive in this crazy year of 2021 following an even goofier year of 2020? So share in the comments below the favorite way that you've earned a living so far. I'm trying to think about what my favorite way has been so far. And I want to say it's probably been selling fireworks, because selling fireworks was just fun. And we sold fireworks as a family for decades. And I don't do it anymore, but it was very fun. It was a fun business. It was a short-term seasonal business, and so it was always really fun for me. So if I think back, I think that was probably one of my most fun jobs ever, although I really loved working for an industrial bakery as well. I thought that was a really fun job and a creative job, and I could, my corporate career was as fun as my business ownership career has been, at least in my opinion, because I've learned something different in every role, every job, everything that I've done, every organization I've been a part of, and every organization that I've created and continue to create. It's fun for me. So your favorite way to earn a living? What's your experience with this particular idiom or expression, to earn a living? A lot of us have limiting beliefs and a lot of emotional energy tied up with this particular phrase, earn a living. And we want to keep in mind that we're not just earning a living, we're creating our life while we're earning this living, while we're surviving. The reason we work, the reason we exchange value for money is so that we can live the life that we want to live. At least that's my vision, my version of why I choose to earn a living. All right. That's our idiom, our expression, money idiom for today. I will be with you tomorrow with another money-related idiom throughout the month of November. Any requests, please hit me up in the comments below, because there are literally hundreds of money-related idioms in the English language. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. Go earn a living.